Hello students. Today we are going to study Mathematics of Standard 10th, chapter number 4, Geometric Constructions. In this chapter we are going to construct similar triangles. Today first we will see construction of a similar triangles. As we know, the corresponding sides of similar triangles are in the same proportion and the corresponding angles of these triangles are equal. Earlier, we solved practice set 4.1, question number 1 and question number 3. If you'll observe both the questions, there is no similar vertex between them. Now today we will solve question number 2 and question number 4. Question number 2. Triangle PQR similar to triangle LTR. In triangle PQR, PQ equal to 4.2 cm, QR equal to 5.4 cm, PR equal to 4.8 cm. Construct triangle PQR and triangle LTR such that PQ upon LT equal to 3 upon 4. If you'll observe, vertex R is similar between them, so we will take vertex R containing side at downward. Therefore, we will draw RP equal to 4.8 cm. Now as point R is common between both the triangles, therefore from point R downward direction we will draw any acute angle. So we took here 40° angle and we will join the mark from point R. As given ratio PQ upon LT equal to 3 upon 4. So select the large number, that is 4. So take the small distance in the compass and make 4 equal arcs on the ray. Give them name R1, R2, R3 and R4. Now as RQ is 5.4 cm, take the measure in compass 5.4 cm and make the arc from point R on top of the segment RP. Now PQ equal to 4.2 cm. So take the measure of 4.2 cm in compass and make the arc from point P intersecting to the first arc. Now intersection of point of arc join with point R and point P, and the intersection of the both the arcs is point Q. Now to construct similar triangle, extend side RP from point P side. Now from given ratio, side of triangle PQR joins number 3, so we will join R3 towards P. Now take the small distance in compass and from point R3 make an arc intersecting to the line. With the same distance, make the arc from point R4. Now measure the distance between the two ends of the arc, and with the same distance we will intersect the first arc. Now intersection of both the arcs join with R4 and extend towards the extended side of the RP, point L. Now extend side RQ from the point Q. Now again with a similar process, draw the congruent angle of P and angle L with the help of the compass. Now join intersection of both the arcs towards the point L and extend towards the extended side of RQ. Reach point T. Now we will move on to question number 4. Triangle AMT similar to triangle AHE. In triangle AMT, AM equal to 6.3 cm, angle TAM equal to 50 degree, AT equal to 5.6 cm, AM upon AH equal to 7 upon 5. Construct triangle AHE. Now if you'll observe both the triangles, vertex A is common between them. First, as vertex A is common between both the triangles, so the side containing vertex A should be downward. So we will draw side AM equal to 6.3 cm. Now with the help of the protractor, we will mark for 50 degree from point A. So we will draw angle A equal to 50 degree. Now as side AT equal to 5.6 cm, take the measure of 5.6 cm in the compass and mark from point A towards the ray. Now intersection of ray and arc will be point T. Join the point T with the point M. Point A is common, so from point A towards the downward direction, we will draw any acute angle. So we will take here angle of 40 degree and mark the point with the point A. Now as given ratio is AM upon AH equal to 7 upon 5, select large number 7. So from point A, make the 7 arcs on the downward ray. The 7 arcs should be in same size, which is drawn by the help of the compass. Name the 7 arcs as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Now as given ratio shows 7 numbers towards the side of AMT, so join A7 towards the point AM. Now in given ratio, side of triangle AHT joins the point 5, so we will draw congruent angle from point A7 to point A5. Now join A5 with the intersection of both the arcs till side AM. and plot the point H. Now with the same process, draw congruent angle of M and angle H. Join the point H and intersection of both the arcs till the side AT. So we will get point E.